Hello viewers, welcome to Ekamais Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important IR topic, that is India and Maldives relation. So in what context are we looking into this topic is, recently Maldives president made first bilateral visit to India. So if you have seen and if you have remembered, last year Maldives have famously raised the slogan called India Out campaign. So on this campaign only he mainly focused his election agenda also. Then why such a U-turn has been taken by Maldives and why he made this visit to India? What are the significant outcomes of this visit? We'll understand in a while. So first thing, we need to know the location of Maldives. So first thing you need to know, Maldives is situated here in the Indian Ocean. You can see it is very much near to Indian Ocean, in the Indian Ocean region, very much near to our island groups of Andaman, Nicobar as well as Lakshadweep, more close to Lakshadweep Islands. And you have to remember, this Maldives consists of a group of islands and all those are made up of corals only. So it is atoll. Atoll means a circular ring-shaped coral, you can understand. So it is very much close to mainland India and also very much important maritime partner of India also. Then let us understand more in detail. What is the recent context of this? Maldivian President Mohamed Morsi. So he arrived in India on a state visit for 5-day visit. And interestingly, this is his first bilateral visit to India. His first bilateral visit to India. Right. Then let us understand why Maldives is so much important for India. So first thing you need to understand, it is geographically so close to Minicoy Island Group. Minicoy Island Group, almost like 70 nautical miles. Then it is also key maritime partner of India in the Indian Ocean region, in IOR, Indian Ocean region. And we also know our Prime Minister has given a call for SAGAR, means Security and Growth for All in the region initiative. So in this also Maldives will play an important role. Not only this, we also have Neighborhood First policy, which is the main policy of India in terms of its neighbors. So neighborhood first policy also we have. In that also Maldives will be an important maritime security partner. At the same time, it is also located on global sea lanes, especially shipping related shipping routes in the Indian Ocean region. At the same time, it is also one of the important pearl in China's string of pearls theory. String of pearls theory. Right? So these are the main reasons why Maldives as a country is very much important to India. Then what is China's string of pearls theory? So if you see, this is India, right? So then China is trying to encircle India with the string of pearls by developing different infrastructure projects in different countries. It is trying to encircle India, and in that one of this is Maldives also situated here. It is one of the pearl in the string of pearls. Then let us understand what is the bilateral relation between India and Maldives. So India is the very first country to recognize Maldives in the year 1965, soon after its independence. Not only that, we also have 1988 Operation Cactus. So if you have remembered, at that time there is a military coup in Maldives, and India has successfully nullified or neutralized that military coup also against Maldivian government, so that India has given a sign we are always in support of political stability in the neighboring countries. At the same time, in terms of 2004 tsunami also, we extended our support to Maldives, and later in 2014 there is a water crisis in the capital of Maldives, that is Malé. So there also we have provided our humanitarian assistance. And in 2019-20 period, when we have COVID-19 pandemic, at that time also we have launched Operation Sanjeevani, so supplying vaccines and all other necessary PPE kits and all to the neighboring country of Maldives. And then later on also we extended in 2020 to 23 period, we also have given many defense related equipment to Maldives. Even helicopters were also gifted by India to Maldives. So this is what the importance. Then what is the visit of President of Maldives aiming at? So main thing is, earlier if you have remembered, as part of his election agenda, so he was famous for launching this India Out campaign. So in India's military presence was also recalled now. So recalling presence of India in the island of Maldives. So that is what he is famous for. But now, why did he make a complete U-turn in his political stand? At the same time, why such anti-India rhetoric was actually reversed? Means it's clear. So now the foreign exchange reserves of Maldives have fallen down almost to $440 million. So they are in a verge of economic crisis. So to come out of this crisis, they need India and India's help in terms of grant and aid, loans and infrastructure assistance also. That is why India is now at the rescue of Maldives, and India always have supported stability in Maldives, political stability also, because any political instability or economic crisis in the neighboring countries may directly or indirectly impact India also. And Maldives has a huge population of Islamic states, and also there is element of radicalization also present. So any political instability may worsen the situation in the form of more radicalization. So this is why the president of Maldives is making a state visit to India, and he has completely changed his U-turn now, and he is in favor of mutual respect and non-interference in internal affairs of another country. Internal affairs, and he has maintained some balance between India and China in the recent times. So this is what the visit of Maldives president to India. Now let us understand the question. Maldives is a member of which of the following organizations? So you have SAARC, ASEAN, IOR, Indian Ocean Region Rim Association, and Organization for Islamic Cooperation. So among these, in which of the organizations or groupings is Maldives as a member? Try to choose the correct one and let me know in the comment section. Then today, as part of IR, we also discussed recent Maldives president's visit to India, and what is the context of this visit, and why there is a complete U-turn in terms of Maldives relations with India, why they are now asking for Indian help. We also have seen how the bilateral relations between India and Maldives is already, and why it is so much important for India as a whole, and along with the practice question in this video. If you liked the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.